At 6 o'clock this morning, I tried to back up right there where that little truck is, a little red one and a white one, and I couldn't. It was ice, so I slid all the way down here. So now this guy with the bobcat, he's cleaning that stuff so I can get up. So there are cool and nice people still out there. This is in Paterson, New Jersey. And then you have these other assholes who don't give a shit. They keep coming into this parking lot here, cleaning it 20 times a day. Look how clean it is. But they don't give a fuck about the damn road. And a trucker who cannot back into the dock because of the ice. Now I'm gonna say this in a foreign language. Jutro suše sam probao da se parkiram tamo gdje su ona dva kamiona na dock. Nisam mogao, led je bio i kamion se jednostavno sklizao vamo. Umalo sam i banderu prikolcom izvalio. Sreća, gas sam dao pa sam malo, eto, izvukao se, ali sam završio ovdje, eto, kao na sankama. E sad ovaj čovjek vamo sa bobcat, vidite, vrlo dobar čovjek, ovo je u New Jersey, u Patersonu. Nisam ga pitao, niti koji đavo sam je došao i ja pitao on mene da li treba da mi očisti da mogu se popiti. E, ovaj čovjek tu. A ovi drugi, kao što vidite, šupci se vozaju, čiste ovaj parking lot vamo 100 puta, očistili ga perfekt, a boli ih i toni da izvinete za cestu. Koja đubrad. So like I said, this is in New Jersey, Paterson. They're cleaning that yard a million times all day long, these fucking assholes, but nobody cleans the damn road here. And there are a few businesses up there. Like I said, I couldn't back into the dock over there because this goes down the hill real bad. And it was ice this morning, so my truck slid all the way down here. Kinda, you know, so I kept it under control. I can still move it and everything. It's no big deal. And all day I've been doing this here, you know, like going back and forth so I can get out. E tako treba da radite stalno. Ako se nađete u snijegu, nemojte samo stati i čekati da snijeg ode ili da se smanji ili da očisti. Nego uvijek idite lijevo, desno, da tabate sebi stazu tako da kad dođe vrijeme da možete izaći. Drugačije nećete moći izaći. E sad ću ja opet da probam. Čovjek mi je pomogao odozdo da se popnem, on je očistio sve to. Tu sam se zaglavio, on je došao, bacio so i pozada me još povukao s onim svojim bagerčićom za prikolcu, tako da sam uspio vamo doći i parkirati. Dao sam mu $10 za so i to je to. Nije htio ni to uzeti, ali eto, uvalio sam mu to, u stvari sin njegovom dao i eto. The guy cleaned it up and brought me up here. With his help, J&F Construction in New Jersey, with his help, I came up here and got on a dock. Couldn't do it because of the ice. I got stuck here, he threw salt, and then with his bobcat, he pulled me back a little bit, and I got on a dock. I'm very grateful for great people.